to his outside point break dash. Here comes Carter's Corral. Last three will be Just Tenacious, Take Me Down, and Charvet. Just Tenacious into the gate. Take Me Down in. Charvet last in. Charvet coming up. Going in, all set for the 8th and final trial for the Ruidoso Derby. They're running, all got away well enough. Drifting out a little bit was Get Carter. From the far side, Charvet came away fast. It's Charvet in between runners, Cat Quick, and here comes Take Me Down, and then down at the rail, Mr. Perry Cartel, Charvet, Cat Take Me Down, Cat Quick, Charvet, Take Me Down, Charvet from Take Me Down, then Cat Quick and Mr. Perry Cartel.